Home remedies for herpes. Herpes is an infection that comes from the Herpes simplex virus. Although there is currently no cure, there are some treatments including home remedies that may help relieve the symptoms. Herpes symptoms include sores on the skin. The infection typically affects the mouth, genitals, and anal area. Signs of herpes develop within 3 to 7 days. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has proven wound accelerating properties. These properties may soothe and heal herpes lesions. Pure aloe vera gel can be applied directly to nearly every area of the body without being diluted. Witch hazel. Witch hazel has significant antiviral properties. Some people can use pure witch hazel without experiencing irritation, while others find that it stinks. You should use a diluted solution if you have sensitive skin. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has been used since ancient times to treat numerous skin problems. It can be used to alleviate the pain caused by herpes sores. It is also an antiviral agent and will kill the virus. Echinacea. The herpes virus is susceptible to the antiviral activity of this herb. Echinacea also work indirectly on the herpes infection by stimulating the body to produce a strong antiviral effect on the virus. Epsom salt. This is one of the best home remedy for herpes that work well for genitals. The salt soak will soothe the itching and pain caused by the sores. It will also dry out the sores because of its hygroscopic nature.